If you want to stop Microsoft Edge from using your camera, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need to change. Whether you're doing this for privacy, security, or just because you don't want websites asking for camera access, it only takes a minute. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where all of the important settings are stored. From here, scroll down and click Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and choose Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how Edge handles tracking, security, permissions, and browsing privacy. Now scroll down until you find the Site Permissions area, then click it. Site permissions is where you can manage what websites are allowed to access, including location, microphone, notifications, and camera access. After that, find and select all permissions. This opens the full list of permission types that Edge can manage for websites. Now look for camera and click it. On the camera permissions page, you'll see a toggle option that controls whether sites can request access to your camera. To disable camera access in Edge, simply switch this toggle off. Once it's turned off, websites will no longer be able to use your camera through the browser unless you manually allow it again later. If you want, you can also check the list of websites below to make sure no specific site still has camera permissions saved. This is a good extra step if you want to fully tighten your privacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the camera in Microsoft Edge. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over your device and online privacy. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.